Hey guys, so just a quick video. Apparently ceilings are now a thing in the Philippine Stock Exchange, and with that third telco hype which had everyone so excited about just around the corner, I figured why not make a video that will help you with the right skills on how to get in a stock that will be hitting the ceiling day after day after day. It will be very hard to get in that stock as the demand will be so high. I'll teach you how to get in right away. Good morning everyone, my name is Lloyd Bazar and welcome to Financial Freedom 101. First, what is a price ceiling? Well, according to investopedia.com, a price ceiling is the maximum price a seller is allowed to charge for a product or service. Price ceilings are usually set by law and limit the seller pricing system to ensure fair and reasonable business practices. Now, a stock price can only go up to 50% tops in a day. That means 50% of the closing yesterday. Now, for example, the closing price yesterday was at 1 peso. That means the price's ceiling today is at 1.5 pesos because 50% of 1 is 0.5 and add that to 1, which is the closing price yesterday, that is 1.5. So that's the ceiling price of the stock today. Now, please remember this. A closing price today is not the guaranteed opening price tomorrow. The opening price of a stock will be the first sale of the stock in that day. So even if the stock closed at 1 peso today, it doesn't mean that it will start selling at 1 peso tomorrow. The opening price will be the first sale of the stock. So if there's someone selling at 1.20 and someone is willing to buy it at that price and that was the first sale of that day, the opening price of that stock is 1.20. So don't set your order price at 1 peso tomorrow if you want to get in. So those are the things you need to understand about price ceilings. Now, what is the best way of getting in? There are two things you need to consider: timing and price. In stocks, to get top priority in buying, remember this rule: first come, first served at the right price. Let me explain that. First, and the most important thing, timing. In stocks, trades are first come, first served. So if the trade is for 1.20 and there are two buyers on that price, the first one to post the order will be served first. Now, when is the best time of the day when you can place an order and be the first? At 9 a.m. when the market started consolidating. Now, you might ask me, the market opens at 9:30 a.m. How can I place an order at 9 a.m.? In case you don't know, the market already accepts order at 9 a.m. So set those alarms, ready the order, and submit it at 9 a.m. and mash that send order button. Second thing that gives you priority is your price. On that day at 9 a.m., you will not know yet what a seller will put for his selling price, so it will be best to set the buying price at the ceiling right away. This way, your order will hit the two criteria of hierarchy right away. The first come, first served at the right price. Do not worry about setting a high price. Even if you put in 1.5 in the buying price, if the seller sells it at 1.2, your purchase price will automatically be at 1.2 even if you are willing to pay at 1.5. Do your math first. Compute how many stocks you can buy with your buying power. Copy your passwords. So you just need to paste it to submit your order if your trading platform requires passwords. You don't want to put in the wrong password and type enter and then you panic and then you already lost time. Remember, every second counts, so make sure you have all these ready. Now, a real example. What if the government announces today that Now Corporation is the official third telco? So you want to get in the stock badly as you know it will be doing ceilings for days to come. What do you do to get in Now Corp ASAP? First, timing. I don't need to explain that further. Set the order at 9 a.m. as soon as you can, as sharp as you can. What price to put and how many stocks you are buying in the order are the most important things. So first thing you need to do is know what price you are going to place. So what is the possible ceiling price tomorrow? As of today, Now Corp closed at 419. So we need to get what is 50% of that and add it to the closing price. 4.19 divided by 2 is 2.1, and then add that to 4.19, which is the closing price. That is 6.2 29. So you have the buying price already. Now, the next thing to prepare is how many stocks you can buy. For example, you have 10,000 pesos. So let's divide that by 6.29, and that is 1,589. And the board lot for this price range is by 100, so you will be able to buy around 1,500 stocks. Always set an allowance for tax, so that's 1,500 stocks at 6.29. Have these numbers ready and be sure you are already finished within 9:01 a.m. Practice this if you must. Bear in mind that this will be a race, so whoever puts in the order first at the right price gets the priority. Use this only if you really are determined to get in the stock right away. But with the third telco, I know you will want to get in right away, so use this strategy. So that's how you get in a stock right away. For more stock exchange tips, subscribe to this channel. Please check out our other videos about tips and tutorials in stock exchange. Once again, my name is Lloyd Bazar. Always remember, seize the day. Happy trading.